Hey everybody, welcome to Crysendo Reviews. My name is Prithvi and today we are reviewing. Basically, Crysendo offers a lot of headphone accessories that can, make your headphones more durable, last them even longer, and this is one of those things. And let's check it out. Crysendo offers 5 different sizes of earphone cushions, and you can get them at Crysendo's website right now. And that is 60 millimeters, 55 millimeters, 65 and 70 millimeters. We also have a packet available that serves the 50 millimeter size as well. So basically at Crysendo we got everything covered. They're basically like cushions for your headphones, if you're working long hours, especially during the pandemic, where a lot of people are working from home and the headphones can really hurt, especially if you're working in a call center or telemarketing, something like that. These could really be useful for you. And even if it's not there, even if you're just chilling at your house and you got like normal headsets which could pair with this will really make your listening experience better. So my recommendation is definitely get these amazing headphone protectors that will really protect your headphones and make them more better for listening, make them more durable and softer on your ears. So whichever headset pair you got at home, this will fit to it for sure. And the best part about this is made out of really comfortable material, as I said earlier. So go get them right now at Crysendo.